Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another tech video. This is going to be a short little video on how to make your keyboard more silent. Now before I get into any tech videos or any kind of stuff right now, I'm going to tell you straight up, there's no scripts. I don't have anything written down. I just go as it is and tell you straight up and just go all out. I don't do the whole script thing yet because someone asked me that, because I just don't. I read what I see and I just do what I do. And you get to see the real me, and I do edit sometimes the stuff out, but I just want to let you guys know on that. So yeah, so let's get into this and stuff. All right, so I did purchase these a while back. 200 pieces rubber O-rings. Now they do come like this, but it does not come with the little removable keycap. That came with my keyboard, so if you guys don't have that, I'll put down the description below, and these rings. So basically, if you guys don't know anything about these, and if you guys do, you guys know what I'm talking about. These are really cool. Basically, these will damper your keyboard. So if it's very clicky or loud, you'll be able to put them over the keycaps or on the keyboard to make them a little more quieter. Now, it doesn't make it completely silent 100%. You're not going to, you know, some people might not even notice a difference, and some people might. But if you got a very loud keyboard and you want to just damper a little bit, they are about $7.99, so about $8. So if you guys want to check them out, you get 200 of these. Be careful when you open it, so they just pop out, they'll fly everywhere. So basically what you're going to basically do is, if you guys don't know anything about how to remove your keys or anything, you're going to grab this and then you just slide it in, boom, pull it straight up, and it comes right off. So simple. And then basically what you're going to do is you're going to grab the keycap and the O-ring and just slide it on there, just like that. I don't have the camera focus on, so it's going to look like that right inside. Just fits. You could take this off or you could leave it on. I take this off and I just put it back on the keycap, push it down, boom. Wait a second, I think I did that one. Oh yeah, I did. If you can put two on here if you want to make it a little more quieter, but just FYI, if you do put more on, the key's going to raise up a little higher. It's not going to be flush with the keyboard, so just put one in and then push it down and boom, you're ready to go. Now I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to see if my mic will pick it up, but pretty much I have some with the rubber bands and some without. So here's the first one. These are the WASD keys. If you guys like these keys, the ones that are white that I have that are grippy for when you're gaming, I will put down the link below. They're really cool. They're kind of a little expensive, like 15 bucks, but they come in red and white. So if you guys want to get them, because I like them so they grip my fingers. But I noticed that when you touch the regular keyboard, it's a little slippery. So, so here it is with the O-rings. And here's without the rings. So I don't know if you can hear the difference. It is a little bit louder. Now it's not going to make it completely silent. If you want to lower, get brown switches. Sorry, the mic's over there. You want to get brown switches. There's Cherry M Express. I do have the green, so I do have the Razer Black Widow Elite keyboard I just bought a while back. It's a great keyboard. I'm gonna tell you straight up, since you guys are watching this video, it's great. I love this keyboard. It is really heavy, so if you want to kind of pick it up, move it around, it's not like super heavy, but it does weigh a lot more than a regular keyboard. Like if you want to get like the Ducky 2 or something. So, but it's a great keyboard. I'm glad I purchased it. So anyways, that's about it. Just put them on the keycaps you want, or you could use them all over the keyboard. They do come in this little case. And then basically what I did is I put my little keycap thing remover right here. Just put it in there and boom. And then you don't lose it. Just be careful when you open it. It does come in a bag, so you don't get all over the place. So, I mean, I will put down the description below where you guys can check them out. I will have more tech videos coming. I have some ideas I want to do. I'm going to do an update on my review on my gaming chair because I had some people get confused on some things. So I'm going to have to explain a little more on the review. I'm going to keep an update on it and let you know about it because I feel like I want to do it over again and give you more little detail on how it's been holding up. So I will do update reviews on that. So if you guys want to check out the video, I'll put down the playlist, all my tech videos. This will be in the tech playlist because it has to do with tech stuff. So I'll put down the description below where you can find the O-rings for the mechanical keyboards. Now, don't worry, this works for every keyboard. You don't have to worry if it doesn't work for your keyboard. All you do is just slide it on the little ring. You put it on the keycap, or you can put it on the keyboard. So either way, doesn't matter. So, alright guys, thanks for watching JTG. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer, and I'll check you guys later.